been with EPR Magazine. So please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. I'm Rahul Bhutiani. I'm the global CMO for Adani Solar. Adani Solar is the country's most integrated, one of the largest players, most integrated solar panel manufacturer. We have presence now in wafer, ingot, cell, module, everything, and the latest technologies.
So how does your company outperform competitors?
So we've not really ultimately a solar panel is a solar panel. It's a commodity product. Everybody has the same technology. It's not that there is any difference in technology, but what we've tried to do is keep investing forward. So we've already launched TOPCon in India. We're the first player to bring TOPCon into India. We're the first player to bring TOPCon cell manufacturing into India. We've also started or already invested in ingot and wafer manufacturing, and that's how we are keeping ourselves ahead of competition in terms of the integration that we bring to the industry, bringing in the entire supply chain into India.
So what strategies do you have to overcome the challenges and the issue?
See, this industry is dynamic. There is a lot of impact of competition from outside of the country. Of course, competition within the country will always be there, and that's welcome. But there's a lot of competition from outside of the country. We have a very large player in terms of China, which has maybe the world's 80 to 90% of capacities are concentrated in China. When you're really looking at that kind of concentration, the challenges are immense. Not only in terms of competition, but in terms of the government policy making. All of these influence the business, and it's always important to therefore try and insulate your business from impact of changes that are happening in the environment and in competition. And our attempt to do that is by fully integrating and bringing everything into India, so that we become kind of independent of the supply chain or remove the dependence of the supply chain from China.
So what strategies, while Adani Solar is planning to leverage the PM Suryodaya Yojana?
Oh, that's a very interesting question. The PM Suryodaya Yojana, rebranded as the Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, is an interesting initiative by the Prime Minister. He's committed a very large part of our population to be able to harness the power of green energy, to get free electricity to the extent of 300 units, and a big commitment made by the government of India. We are one of the players that can contribute very largely to this effort, because we are one of the largest players in the DCR, domestic content required market. We are maybe the largest manufacturer of DCR cells in India, and that is what is happening. That is what is aligning us to be able to meet and deliver on the Prime Minister's ambitious plan, best suited to deliver on that.
So how have exhibition like the Intersolar Expo helped the industry?
It's a good platform for us to interact with our customers, with our other stakeholders, competitors. It gives you a ability to see what's happening in the world at large, and what competition is doing, what we are doing. We learn from each other, and obviously our customers find this a very nice interaction place in a concentrated manner. In 3 days, you get to meet so many people. That's what the exhibitions really help with.
So what range of product and solution Adani Solar is showcasing at the Intersolar Expo?
So of course, the showcase includes the TOPCon product that we've launched very recently with TOPCon Made in India cells, which is unique. This is the first time somebody has made TOPCon cells in India and modules from that. So that is something unique that we have brought in. We also have our solar supply chain displays here. The idea is that we've also invested, and that's coming operational now, into wafer manufacturing. So we make ingots and wafers. This is the first time anybody has done that in India, and Adani is making ingots and wafers which feed the cells. So that's all that we're trying to showcase here. Products may be very similar to what our competitors may offer, but the difference we are creating is in terms of the supply chain that we are We have a vision to make up to 10 gigawatts right from polysilicon to module making.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to interview you. Thank you.